Okay, most people, when they practice, they just hit balls, right? Okay, so we're gonna kind of do that, but we're gonna add a little twist to it that you're gonna love. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna hit balls, we're gonna have fun, we're gonna work on our game, but we're not going to really worry about the ball too much. We're just gonna do what we call a divot drill. And we're gonna try to get our divots nice and straight. So take your alignment stick, this guy, line it up on the range, find a nice clean piece of grass to work with, and just start at the beginning of the stick and work your way back with a wedge. Work all the way down the stick line and try to make your divots nice and shallow, straight, and match it up with the stick, and just put your ball right behind on a little patch of grass and just keep hitting, keep hitting, keep hitting, and work your divots today, all right? Good luck. Okay, if you can get your divots nice and shallow, nice and straight every time, they're not going to the right, they're not pulled to the left, then your ball's gonna start online more consistently. So just practice occasionally doing a divot drill. And this is a perfect one to do. Use your alignment stick. Sometimes I put two, make a little train track, and you can make cool shapes. Just do different lines, lines, make them consistent. Make them straight, make them good. Your ball flight will be better. You'll start sticking those wedges close to the hole. Your scores will go lower, for sure. Good luck. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. We'll see you in the next video.